In this video I'm going to be looking at the Panasonic multi-tool, which is an 18 volt cordless tool, brushless motor, very sleek, nice looking machine in my opinion. Pop that out, lock it off, and it's ready for action. Whoa, steady tiger, speed control on the back. Quite loud, I'd say. One thing straight away, I'm not a huge fan of these little switches here. The switch works, you push it in and you lock it off. And they're okay, but I've had a couple on angle grinders, small angle grinders, which once they fill up with dust are not so clever. So let's hope this one's better, but I would have preferred to have seen some other kind of switch on it other than that rather annoying little thumb switch in there. But that small detail apart, hopefully there's nothing else that I find to fault with it, but let's go out and give it a go.
Could you feel that resonating in your chest, that one?
Well, it wasn't great, I've got to admit. I'd like to see what the vibration figures are on it, but it doesn't feel that good actually. And also, I don't like this switch. I've already said I don't like this switch, but it kind of puts me off slightly. Not the fastest machine, definitely not the fastest machine out there, so, you know, we'll have to see, but it's got some more tests to do, so let's see how it goes. So what do I think about the Panasonic? Well, I'd love to say that I love it, but I don't really. Quite honestly, it's not bad. I just find that the vibration, the noise and everything else on it, it's a great chunky machine. I mean, look at the size of it. It really just lacks that level of refinement, which is a little bit disappointing. But anyway, this is a pre-production model. They may improve some of those things. This is quite noisy, a fair bit of vibration on it, and you would hope that it would be a little bit more refined, but I can't promise that this is going to change much between now and the time when it hits the production line and you start seeing them in your tool stores. So not my favorite tool by any means, but if you'd like to see how this stacks up against the competition, don't forget to watch our 9 tool showdown at the end of this series, where we're running all 9 machines up against each other, and we're going to tell you which ones we like and which ones we don't like.